Hello friends, good evening. My name is Himanshu Kumar. I want to come online today. I want to tell you some things so that you should listen and how it felt it, how I should come back. Please reply me. So let's today continue for related current. And some points are gas leakage in Gopal area in at Gopal area in Visakhapatnam, and some points are COVID-19 it provides. So let's today not deliver my opinions. Gas polymers planets leakage is private company 6 2.30 am leakage. That time several peoples are sleeping and no one decide who are, and sometimes are just like for side effects weaken cancers, and sometimes are increase and no one for knowledge why how it recovers. Sometimes three peoples are 1 hour, sometimes three peoples are dead, and sometimes running the after the out of area and first stage weekends virus in weekend after is late, and several peoples are affected, and uh, these times 11 peoples are dead, and hospital are overburdened because number of cases are increased in gas leakage, polymer gas leakage is, and COVID-19 hospitals are increased because the running period is COVID-19. Every districts are available in maximum seats are available in Visakhapatnam, and some peoples are visits and very criticized, and after the ICU visited, and some peoples are criticized and quarantines and check up the patients, and 90% are recovers. Today 2:30 am's leakage gas, and NDRF teams are visited early morning 6:30, and that times three peoples are dead, and he was going after hospitals 5 peoples are dead, and total peoples are dead 8 peoples, and after sometimes 3 peoples are dead. Number of patients are increased. 6 villages are vacant under 3 kilometers. LG Polymers gas leakage. He is a private company. Numbers of people are hospital admit, and some peoples are weakness, frustrates, cancers, and weakness, and NDRF teams also door-to-door check by the officials. In Visakhapatnam also COVID-19 birth increase, and some points are COVID-19 related because running periods and running COVID-19 several are several country has affected COVID-19 because number of cases are increased. Maximum USA are affected, number of cases are increased. Number of cases are increased. USA death rate approx 70,000 in increase, and 12 to 13 lakh people are COVID-19 patients are available in USA. In India, already 52,000 people are COVID-19 are increased, and recovers 27% are increased, and world in 33% are increased in compared to India, as compared to India. And death rate 7%, and death rates in India approx 70 100 to 80 hundreds between, and recovers already 1000 today are recovers. Number of cases are increased, but recovers already increased because now governments have decided economic crisis is increase, and one decisions without decision is not grow, and many shops are opens, our daily wages shops are opens, but some electronics and bags and hospitals also daily wage 24 into 7 hour it opens, but shops, books, shops and electronics and printed media shops already alternates office by day and time fix is good way, but it burdens in in India because nowadays in yesterday is one's photo viral in drinking wines. Everyone peoples are drink without drink is not full of lives because nowadays 1 liter for 2000 rupees, but as compared to 1000 and 2000 rupees one drinks after 2 days is not recall than COVID-19 is related. But my advice, you going to shop, but number of patients or numbers of peoples are poor in increase in India, but no one care. And tomorrow, yesterday, government said one shop, drink shop open, but just like line is 1 kilometer, but and vegetables already is vacant, is viral the pictures. And my advice is no one drinks, and several without drink each full lives and enjoy lives. If you suppose that one drinks and drinking the wines after 1 hours and 1 day is full of lives, but after day his pocket money is lost. And after, if you suppose 1000 rupees distribute the people's poor people's are is very free, but after you increase the money, and after you drink water, no one increase. And pray the poor family is my help for one person's, that's your name. And my advice is no one drinking. And my advice, if you suppose 1000 people drink, distribute, and 1000 suppose you distribute the peoples, pray the peoples, one peoples are my 5 day is cooking foods are available. Okay. And so friends, because I have just coming video, making video, and I am beginner and reply which I can improve. Okay.